Hello, in today's video we're going to make beef flavored vegetable soup. This soup has a little bit of everything in it. It has cabbage, carrots, celery, onion, bell peppers, potato, turnips, green beans, tomato, cauliflower, kale, chickpeas, and corn. Start by dicing your vegetables. It doesn't matter what size you cut them, as long as they're roughly the same size. Get your pot ready by adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Place it on medium heat. Add all the vegetables except the tomatoes, potatoes, and green beans, chickpeas, and corn. I forgot to mention I also added chopped spinach. Give it a good stir, then add your spices: black pepper, adobo, sea salt, hot seeds, fresh garlic, and some Italian seasoning. Add a bay leaf or 2. Add the fresh garlic and cook until fragrant. Add the remainder of your ingredients. Add the water or stock, depending on what you prefer. You can easily make this soup vegan or vegetarian by substituting the stock with vegetable broth. I used powdered beef bouillon. Simmer the soup until the potatoes are cooked all the way through. Then go ahead and adjust your seasonings for salt and pepper. Top it with your favorite garnish, such as fresh parsley, basil, or scallions. Enjoy! Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. I would like to thank my good friend Diane for filming this video.